Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can add moving averages to TradingView chart. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open TradingView chart, then go to indicators. This one, click on it and type moving average. Okay, this one, moving average simple, and I will add two of them. So 1 and 2. You can add the third if you want. These are the moving averages. They have the same number. So click on them, click on it, and click on gear icon. Now go to the input, and I will change this one to 20. Then go to style, and I will change this color. So let's say to black. And I will change also the thickness to this one. And click on OK. And the second one, click on it again and click on the gear icon. Go to input, and for me, I will choose 50. For you, you can change anything you want. Then go to style, and let's change this color again to green, for example, and the thickness to this one. Then after that, just click on OK and click on save. And that's it. This is how you can add simple moving averages to your TradingView chart. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.